Welcome to my English YouTube channels, English Point Tutorial. Hope I would like to convey all of you good morning and hope also have a sound day and fine day without any problems. Okay, now I would like to make such a video too much interesting. I would like to change the subject matter of grammar so that it will not be too much monotonous to the beloved students. Hence, it is the matter of grammar. So, most of the students consider it that too much boring and monotonous. Hence, I would like to give the different test of grammars and also important so that it will be joyful and interesting one and will be able to increase your interest in English grammar also. Now today's topic as the difference in meaning, the words people, peoples. Generally or casually we use these words. সাধারণত আমরা এই শব্দগুলো খুব সাধারণভাবে ব্যবহার করে থাকি without considering any wrongs, any complication, কোনো জটিলতা না ভেবে। কিন্তু in grammar there is a clear differences of uses. Okay, so you have to know. Let's start, and please if you have not subscribe my channel yet, please cordially appeal to you, subscribe me and help me to help you, serve me to serve you, cooperate me to cooperate you, and so that I shall give my best of mine for the interest of my beloved students. Now start. Here uses number one, people. As you know, it generally refers লোকজন এই বোঝাতে। There is no any complication about the uses of people. As you say, the people say that you are a good man. So it is generally refers লোকজন, জনসাধারণ, and it is always plural. এটা সবসময় plural form হয়। People মানে plural form. Next, the what's about the a people. যখনই এটা বসালে people এর আগে the meaning has already been changed. মানে কিন্তু পাল্টে গেল। A people are people, not the same things. Just consider the examinations. It indicates a nation, a group of people of a country. Just as you consider the examples, উদাহরণ দিলে পরিষ্কার হয়ে যাবে ব্যাপারটা কি রকম। The Americans are a rich people. A rich people indicates that's a lion seers who are the inhabitant of America, wealthy, rich. মানে একটা জাতির সম্পর্কে বোঝাচ্ছে যে যখনই এ পিপল দ্য আমেরিকানস আর এ রিচ পিপল ইন্ডিকেটস rich, not particularly the general meaning of people, but it should be treated as a nations. The meaning refers to here. Okay. Now consider peoples. জাস্ট কনসিডার পিপলস মানে যেমন পিপল নেশন বলা হচ্ছে, ঠিক এইটাকে ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস নেশনস, অ্যাজ ইউর মিনিং নেশনস, বিভিন্ন জাতি। কিরকম? As you consider the examples of these, you generally say that it is something different from others, just as peoples have different customs. Here is the manner. তাহলে বিভিন্ন জাতির বিভিন্ন রকম রীতি রয়েছে। Hope you have been able to understand what's the actual difference, and if you judge it meticulously and treat it, how to use it. The people, a people and peoples. People is always a plural and it generally refers generally people, লোকজন সাধারণত। a people that indicates a nation. Peoples, nations, বিভিন্ন জাতির লোকজনের বিভিন্ন রকম রীতি রয়েছে। Okay. So today's video I would not like to make it very lengthy, as the time is very short, and I consider that all of my beloved students have been able to understand clearly the actual differences of meanings people, a people and peoples. And next video I have decided it is part 1 and part 2, part 3, part 4. Okay, next 3 days video will be continued on the matter of difference in meaning of the words, minute differences, about the minute differences which we use casually, okay, but not grammatically correct. It is not we do intentionally but casually. সাধারণভাবে আমরা যে ভুলগুলো করে থাকি সেইগুলো আরো বেশি বেশি করে ভালো করে কিভাবে জানা যায় তার জন্য করব। Lots of thanks today and hope you will be safe and secure. Thanks.